This deer's chasing away the dog. The dogs are barking at this deer and she's chasing them away. The tables have turned. Now the deer's the one chasing the dog.
Post this on your YouTube channel.
I will.
Not mine, yours. Put the turtles on video. Behind me. Put the turtles on video.
Shh, shh, shh. Watch.
Oof, I can't see. She's protecting her babies.
Gosh, have one.
Okay. There it goes.
It's not over yet.
Where they at now?
They're down there at that old doghouse thing.
Well, come on. That's where our babies is at. Come on.
I think that is.
The deer's pooping.
No, it ain't. Evan, look.
It is.
It's not pooping. It's not pooping. It's actually perfect.
I know. Shush.
Get out of that mud.
I'm not in the mud.
Right there's what I'm going to on the porch. What I'm going to let you put them in.
All of them?
Yeah, together.
All right.
Do you see her go?
She's right there.
She's
She's
got her babies down there somewhere. She's making them lay down and not.
The baby deers are probably.
Here, Goofy. Come here, Goofy. Come here, Goofy. Watch her. See, I know she's got babies. Watch her. She knows I'm making him. She's going to get his hind end. Better get him. Stomp him.
Why is Goofy scared of that deer?
Because
that deer can hurt him.
You are.
It's a girl.
Watch here.
Deer can hurt him
That's
bad.
That's the way a mother is about her babies. She'll protect them through life. Come on, Goofy. Here, Goofy. Goofy.
Get down there.
Evan, you can fall down that hill.
Get up here.
Get over here.
Oh, look at that. It has so many
She's so
fleas.
mad she could kill that dog.
Look on its leg. It has so many fleas. Look all over it. So many fleas.
She was worried to death. If you get a hold of Goofy, Norman said tie him up. Can't get a hold of the thing.
I'm gonna go put
She
my film.
gets so scared. She's scared for her baby. Goofy. Watch it.
Stomp it. Stomp the dog.
You're gonna check her on baby. There she goes. Goofy. She got her babies down. Now they are where they're at, but
She's right in that little bush.
well, she'll sneak up and kill that dog.
I hope she does.
I can't even see her. She's sneaking out of the way.
I hope.
It's behind that. It's behind that thing. It's probably gonna come up around this hillside and start chasing that stupid dog. There it is. You can see it's standing right there. The dog's